In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream and record stretched resolution in OBS Studio. By the end, your stream and recordings will show your game stretched to fill the screen without OBS quietly scaling things behind the scenes. Start by launching OBS Studio. Give it a second to load your scenes and sources, then head straight into Settings. In the left sidebar, open the Video tab. Here, set both the base, also called canvas resolution, and the output or scaled resolution to your monitor's native resolution. Matching these two stops OBS from doing extra scaling later, which keeps your image sharp and consistent for both streaming and recording. If you're unsure what your native resolution is, check your display settings in your operating system first, then type that exact value into both fields. Next, go to the Output section in Settings. Make sure Rescale Output is unchecked. This is important. If it's on, OBS can override what you just set in the Video tab and resize your stream or recording on the fly, which can undo the stretched look you're aiming for. Back in the main OBS window, add your gameplay. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose either Game Capture or Display Capture. Game Capture is ideal for most full-screen games and gives you the cleanest result. Display Capture works if you want to show your whole desktop or if your game won't hook into Game Capture. Once your source is added, right-click it in the list, hover over Transform, and choose Stretch to Screen. This forces the source to fill your canvas edge to edge. If you see red bounding box handles, that's normal. It's just showing the new transform. Stretch to screen differs from fit to screen. Fit preserves the original aspect ratio and may leave black bars, while stretch fills the frame. If stretch to screen doesn't give you the look you want or doesn't behave as expected, right-click the source again and select Filters. In the Filters window, add a Scaling Aspect Ratio filter. This gives you precise control over how OBS scales that source. Inside that filter, set the resolution to your monitor's native resolution. This forces the stretch at the source level, which can override stubborn aspect ratios from older games or custom in-game resolutions. The result will fill a 16.9 canvas, even if the game is 4:3, removing black bars but widening the image. Exactly what many players prefer for a stretched layout. Close the filters window, lock your source to prevent accidental moves, and check the preview. With the canvas, output, and scaling set correctly, both your stream and your recordings will now display the stretched resolution consistently.